Greetings everyone, this is Hong Long from Hong Long Wuxia, and welcome to the next installment of Tai Chi 24 Basics. I would really appreciate it if you guys would like the video and share and subscribe if you haven't, and hit the bell for notifications. So last time we finished up with single whip. Is pretty much going to be the same as before. From here, high plane, on the high plane, search for the mare. We're going to come up. Lift the left leg up, set it down. Try and find a place that's not all icy. Let me try that again. We're going to go into the high plane, on a high plane, search for the mare. So from here, we're going to come forward, pulling back with the left hand, striking with the right, raising the left leg, setting it back down, raising the right leg, and kicking out, and striking out to the sides. From here, we're going to come in. We're going to make Tai Chi fists. Set down, turn, strike high and low, pull back, strike, set down, come back up, kick out. So let's try that a couple more times. I hope I'm getting everything in the camera here. Step back, maybe this. Make sure we get everything in. I don't want to have to drive back out here later on. All right, so now let me try it from a reverse angle for you. Alright, that was the next section in Tai Chi 24 Basics. I would not recommend for you at the moment to be practicing the whole form on hilly and rocky terrain such as this, but practicing individual postures on different terrain is not a bad idea. And it's not a bad idea to practice individual postures on a regular basis anyway. It will help you improve your overall form. So for instance, while I wouldn't recommend you doing the whole form like right here, or even this posture, since you're just learning it. I wouldn't recommend you doing it on an icy hill, but like Tai Chi, but like Chisa, this is a good one to do here. Hands wave like clouds. Or wild horse parts of the mane. Or even like holding one. Practicing your postures on varying terrain will help you become a lot better at performing your Tai Chi. Once you've become a proficient, I mean, you don't have to be an expert, but once you've become proficient, you memorize the form, and you can, you're at least getting down a little bit in all of the postures, and you're doing it smoothly, then I would recommend you moving and trying different terrain for performing the entire posture. At that point, I would recommend you attempting to do your form on different terrain. Not until then. But until then, you can practice the individual postures as long as you know that you can remain safe and you're not going to fall down and hurt yourself. All right, everybody, this is Hong Long from Hong Long Wuxia. I hope you enjoyed this installment of Tai Chi 24 Basics. Until the next time, keep practicing.